what the most important thing is, they listen to me. They prepared my skin. उन्होंने peel लगाया and peel के बाद I felt like honestly, I was little nervous today. Acne has been troubling me for so long. And trying something new always brings a little hesitation. But I kept telling myself, if you want a better skin, I have to do something. And when I first came in, I felt so nice. Everything was so calm, organized, and most importantly, very, very hygienic. तो सबसे ज़्यादा मुझे वही comfortable feel कर गया. They checked my skin properly. Like they explained each and everything. And you know what the most important thing is? They listened to me. They understood what I wanted. What a girl wants, you know that. Clear skin, glass-like skin, lesser bumps. ज़्यादा overdone now, लेकिन हाँ, कुछ ऐसा face देखे. Let me be very honest. और जो सवाल सबके मन में रहते हैं before entering a skin clinic. Will it suit my skin? Will it burn? Will it give irritation? So all these common questions that we all had, right? And one simple explanation that changed everything. We will numb the skin and you won't feel anything. And that completely changed everything. Seriously, you can look that. Natural glow. They prepared my skin. उन्होंने peel लगाया and peel के बाद I felt no burning sensation, no irritation, nothing. Just a clean, gentle process. I liked how everything was done so patiently. No rush, no shortcuts. Each and every steps very precisely and professionally done. And you know what? When I looked at my skin after the peeling has been done, it felt like, Korean glass type glowing skin. Very natural, very gentle. You can see it. And they explained exactly what results I will be getting in next few days. और रिजल्ट्स कुछ सुन के ना जो मेरे अंदर और मेरे चेहरे पे कॉन्फिडेंस आया है वो आप लोग देख ही सकते हो. Sometimes we overthink a lot. We create some, scenarios in our head कि what if it hurts? What if it goes wrong? But आज ना मेरे सारे एक छोटे छोटे worries, doubts सब clear हो गए, सब disappear हो गए. And about talking about the atmosphere, it was so warm. Everyone, each and everyone available there was so gentle, polite. I came here with so many doubts, but I'm leaving here with clarity, comfort, and honestly, happiness. And if I have to, rate about my experience, it's definitely excellent. And I'm so excited कि आगे आने वाले दिनों में मेरी skin और कितनी बेहतर होने वाली है. अभी बहुत ज़्यादा glowing दिख रही है. You can see it. Guys, if you are dealing with any kind of skin issues like pigmentation, acne, pimples, whiteheads, blackheads, any issues, you should definitely try a consultation at SkinCure. Thank you, SkinCure, for the amazing results and for giving me the beautiful skin again. Thank you.